Okay, good morning, children. Today we start our new book. Okay, for C, focus on Y sound. So now joy. Okay, so actually remember we have learned Y as beginning sound one day, Y as I sound one day, and Y as E sound one day. So now today we have to join these three sound together. Do revision，把这三个声音 Y 的声音放在一起。一起看所以你们要看它的 difference 哦 ，see the difference When you read through，你读的时候你要想，它这个是 Y as beginning，就是开始的声音，还是 Y 是 I 的声音，还是 Y 是 E 的声音，自己想一想可以说这边你看这一组是开始的 therefore all the Y is in front So here Y as I sound， 你看它的 I slide try fly I cry drive rise slide， 所以 I 你听到吗？听到老师有些 I read very fast slide try fly fly cry drive fly I can you hear now I so therefore this group is Y as I sound. So the third group here Y as E 你看Fee, re, li, re, vi, p, li, b, me, d, li， 听到吗？Fluffy, blackberry, jelly, curry, and cherry, happy, swelly, chubby, mummy, daddy, silly。看see the different 这边是 the end 那个 y 在后面的是 OK this is the group. The second group is lie, try, lie, fly, lie, cry, drive, okay, so see the difference 这边是开始的声音是所以这样子开始的OK so 哇全部抽直接抽录下去了 OK Y as beginning consonant yam yak yell yum yes Y as I sound slide try fry fly cry dry fry spine. Third group Y as E sound fluffy blackberry jelly curry anchovy happy smelly chubby mummy daddy silly. Yanni will like to eat some yam. Yanni 呢，他喜欢吃一些 yam. Mommy will try to fry some yam. 妈咪会试下煮一些炸一些 yam 给 Yanni 吃。The yam is for Yanni. 那些 yam 是给 Yanni 的。Yanni can try the yam with mommy. Yanni 可以跟妈咪一起吃 yam. The yam is yummy. 那个 yam 很 yummy. Okay, so look at the teacher Chong slide 这是我准备给你的大张。Y as beginning 是开始consonant is all the letters other than your vowel sound. Okay, so in your ABC there are 26 letters, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay, when you count like that, you will find 26. So A, E, I, O, U 我们叫 vowel So other than vowel 其他那些字我们叫它 consonant like B, C 这些叫做 consonant So A 到 Z 里面有26个字母，除了 A, E, I, O, U 之外，其他那些字母letters 叫做 consonant. Okay, consonant. Okay, this is a yam, yam. Y, M, yam, yam. Y, at, yak, yak. Y, L, yell. Yum. Yum. Y, S, yes. Yeah, okay, second group. Y as I sound. I 的声音okay. Slur, I, slide. Try, I, try. Fleur, I, fly. Fly. Pr, I, pry. Cur, I, cry. Dry, I, dry. dry, dry, dry. Fur, I fry. Giá, fry, fry, fry. Goreng. Okay. Spur, I spy. Spy, spy, spy. Okay, third group already. Okay, YSE sound. I remember. Fluffy, blackberry, jelly. Okay, curry. Okay, fluff, fluff, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Blur, black. Berry, blackberry, blackberry. Gel, gel. Li, jelly, jelly. Curry, curry, curry. Happy, happy, happy. Smell, smelly, smelly. Up, chop. 那个脸很多路啊，来 Emilia 啊，很多路 chubby 很可爱啊，很多路叫 chubby OK 啊 chubby chubby mommy dad dad daddy seal silly 笨笨的啊，蠢蠢的啊 ，silly 啊，这个是又是妈咪讲你，哎呀，做那种蠢蠢的事情，you're so silly 啊，笨笨的 silly 啊，你看这个人 ，OK， Yanni will like to eat some yam。Yanni 呢，他喜欢吃一些 some 啊，有些一些 again 啊。Some horses, some cow. Here is some again. Some 是一些啊，没有多多 ，not many 啊。Some 是一些罢了。Some yam. Yanni would like to eat some yam. Yanni will like 喜欢 to eat some yam. Mommy will try to fry some yam. The yam is for Yanni. Mommy will try to fry some yam. The yam is for Yanni. Yanni can try the yam with Mommy. Yanni can try the yam with Mommy. The yam is yummy. Thank you.